Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. Hope you're doing well. What I'm going to show you today, lower back focused workout. I want to talk a few seconds before we get started. Mainly, people are seated too much. People have very weak muscles because of all of this. First, stiffness, this is the biggest problem. Second, weakness also is the biggest problem. So in this practice, I will show you how you can improve your lower back and at the same time add mobility and flexibility. You can do this at home. I will use this, but you can use a chair at home if you doesn't have. I will use heavy dumbbells. Mine are 25 kg each, but you can use like 5 or 10 kg, like 10 pounds, it's okay. You should not start with something like very heavy if you don't feel like confident and you feel also weak. Take care about this. Also, I'm mentioning always try to not get injured. This is very important thing. If you doesn't know how to do it, or like if you are afraid to, just skip this move, or you can text me in comments, ask me some advice or questions, I will reply you. So let's begin first. We will start with flexibility and mobility of your hips and lower back, and then adding strength. Here we go. First, a nice and easy thing, I will start with hips. If you are using a chair, just place your right leg in front, left leg back, and then inhale first deeply. Try to drive your knee over your toes. Inhale, exhale, and drive your knee forward. You need to feel that stretch right now here and hips as well, and back up, and continue. 2, nice and easy. 3, 4, feel that stretch on your left leg and right. 5, drive your knee forward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and just hold here for a couple of seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Inhale first. Exhale, we switch side. Same thing we're gonna do with the left. Place your left on your chair. Don't forget, rotate your pelvis. Then you drive your hip down and your left knee forward. Let's work 10 times. Inhale. Exhale. Go. 2, 3, forward. Your knee should drive over your toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10, and hold here. Feel the right side, the left side also. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice one. If you cannot do with your straight leg, I mean, if your back leg cannot be straight, you can bend it. It's okay for me. Or you can use something lower. So let's say you can put few books or a few yoga blocks, or you can use a chair that is not so high. This is also okay. Another thing is, let's stretch our hips towards the side. I will use a yoga block to make it more comfortable for my knee. If you doesn't have a yoga block, you can use a pillow. It's okay for me. You can place a pillow on your chair and then just work. Right knee, we're gonna start from our right knee. Place your knee on a yoga block or your pillow. Then from here, take care. Your left leg rotated towards the left side, right? So hips are looking forward, but the left side is open towards the side. Let's say your left foot should be placed from a chair, maybe like 80 centimeters wide. And then from here, keep it straight, push your hips forward. We will inhale, exhale, and drive it down. So we are pushing our hips down, and at the same time our knee moves towards the left side, and back up. Inhale, I'll move my knee back a little bit. Take care, 2 knees should be one line. Inhale first. Exhale, let's work. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, mobility is related to your lower back pain. 6, 7, let's work. 8, 9, 10, and hold here for a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Nice one. And then we switch sides. Same thing, another leg. Place your left knee on your pillow Right leg, move your hips forward, right leg rotate out. Two knees should have one line. And then from here, just bend your knee towards the right side and drive your hip back, down, sorry. Inhale. Exhale, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold here a couple of seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. This way we are adding like hips mobility, our thigh mobility, conditioning, which will help you to, which really affects your lower back. If all these small like ligaments and joints are stiff, then it is affecting your lower back. Okay, we're gonna start with something heavy. Next one, I can sit down on my chair, or I will use this, but you can use a chair. So the important thing is here, we are opening our knees towards the side. So what we're gonna do, you need to lower your upper back with lower back together. Keep holding your lower back really flat, and then you take your dumbbells and you drive back. And again, down and back, down and back, nice and easy. Take care to maintain this length. If you cannot, let's say you can do just until here because of your flexibility and mobility. Try to not round your spine. This way is not effective at all. Keep it straight and back. Try to lower your spine straight as much as you can. Keep it straight. So if you can do until here, it's okay, just back up. Do it until here and back up. With time, let's say 1 month later, you'll be able to go lower, 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 because your hamstrings, your thigh, and your hips mobility you will improve it, so you'll be able to drive lower. Okay? Here we go. I will take 2 dumbbells and I will start working. First, inhale. Exhale. Take your dumbbells. Inhale. Let's work up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 times, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Good one, release. 50 kg, lower back is working really good. I'm telling you again, if you feel not strong enough, take something very light. Teach your body to do good range of motion, to have that good feeling, and then add weight. This is very important. Inhale again. Exhale. One more. Exhale. We continue, second set. 10 times, keep it slow. Drive down, drive up, drive down, drive up. Try to not work with your legs, or with your arms, sorry. Try to not add any like work with your arm. Only your back muscles are working here. Here we go, inhale first. Exhale. Get ready. Take your dumbbells and let's work. Inhale. Grab, work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Inhale again. Exhale. This is something very useful for your lower back. For those who maybe cannot even lift, let's say a few kg, you can do without any weight. So you can drive down and back up. Drive down, back up. If you want to add difficulty, you can keep your arms straight in front of you and just drive down as much as you can and just back up. You can do this way. Drive down and then back up. It will be also helpful for you. I'm just showing different variations because some people are more strong, they want to add strength. Some people, they are just on the beginning on the way, so people are different, muscles are different, bodies are different. Here we go, we are doing third set, 10 times. Inhale first, exhale, get ready. Grab your dumbbell, up, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one, release. Okay, stand up. Inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Then, what we're gonna do next, I will use my dumbbells as something higher that I can step on to stretch my hips. You can use a chair or you can use anything that will be, let's say, same height as my dumbbells. What we're gonna do from here, starting from the right side, we place our left leg forward in front. Try to keep your right leg as straight as possible. And then from here, just drive your knee forward and stretch. Feel the stretch here in your hamstrings, thigh, and right side of your right leg as well. Try to feel that mobility. Push your knee forward a little bit more. Feel this stretch good. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, your knee should be a little bit over your toe. And back up. Switch. Place your right leg in front. Left go back. First inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Try to keep it as straight as possible. Move your knee forward. Should be a little bit over your toe. And feel that stretch in your hips. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Good one. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. We're gonna do one more time each side. Left, right back. Try to keep it straight as straight as possible. From here, drive your knee forward. Feel that stretch in your body, in your hamstrings as well. Knee should be over your toe. And hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Good. Inhale first. Exhale. Right one. Left one back. And fall. Knee should be over your toe. Flex. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's do one more deep inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Another useful thing I will show you with these heavy dumbbells. We're going to do squats, but let me show you from here. You can use, again I'm showing, don't use heavy one. From here you open your legs, so your knees towards the side. You grab them, your lower back and back should be like, you need to fall forward a little bit. You should need to keep your lower back straight. From here you grab and you just push up and down, up and down. As you can see, because of my body weight, my body is falling forward a little bit, which is okay. When you go down, you need to keep your lower back straight. When you go up, you need to squeeze your butt forward, right? The weight will be a little bit in front of you, and then go down again. We're gonna do 2 sets, 10 times. If you feel you can do more, you can do like, you can take 5 to 10 kg or like 10 to 20 pounds. You can do 15 to 16 times, but take care, work slowly. Again, I'm reminding you, if you cannot squat so low, it's okay. Squat how much you can. The most important is to keep your lower back straight. Try to not round your posture, so try to not rotate your pelvis inside, then your spine here will go out, will pump out, which is very bad. Okay, inhale first. Exhale. Take your dumbbells, let's work. Drive up. Push your knees out. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Many of you maybe will not have this kind of good mobility and flexibility to their hips. That's why I started with some range of motion, with some exercise that can open your hips more, and then just after that we are moving towards this. So don't neglect. If you feel that you need to do more hip opening, or like you need to warm up more, take care of yourself and do it. Nobody will do it for you. Second set, 10 times. Let's get ready. Inhale first. Toes towards the side, knee towards the side. Exhale, drive down. Grab, 10 times. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. Nice one. After you did this, if you feel some tension in your lower back, what I can suggest you, take a chair, place your arms on your chair, rotate your pelvis first, pike your back, and then from here, inhale deeply, exhale, and just a little bit arch yourself like this. 3 seconds, hold, 3, 2, 1, and back up. You can keep hold your arms on your chair. Just do simple, nice and easy down facing dog. Hold 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Nice one. This is the workout I want to show you. Maybe a little bit different from those who I'm regularly posting, but I try to make it more helpful and efficient. So I try to find you different kind of solutions how you can help yourself at home. Stay strong, take care of your lower back, wish you all the best. Peace.